here is the video on my personal insights about my philosophy of education. My philosophy of education is that learning should be a fun and engaging experience for all students. I believe that education should not just be about memorizing facts, but about understanding and applying knowledge in real life. For example, when I was in school, I loved projects or activities where we could work in groups. And I think this helped me learn from my classmates to see and appreciate different ideas. I think this relates to the constructivist philosophy, which says that students learn best when they can explore and create their own understanding of the world. I also believe that teachers should be guides and supporters rather than just people who give information. In class, we learned about the humanistic philosophy, which focuses on the needs and feelings of students. I remember a teacher who always listened to us and cared about our thoughts and feelings. This made me feel valued and feel also motivated to learn. When education is centered around the students and their experiences, it creates a positive environment where everyone can grow and succeed. That would be all. Thank you.